Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to our last training for this FY, or fiscal year, on MS365 apps. Today's application, we're going to take a close look at Microsoft Teams. Okay, Microsoft Teams is a Google. It's similar to the Google platform. It has a lot to offer, and it's a new rollout by Microsoft. So this is the platform we'll be utilizing moving forward for all of our meetings. And we'll be talking with the ET in reference to providing links for your different sessions, all the ones who have not been provided within this platform. Okay, so let's just take a look around this platform and get kind of familiar with it. First of all, you're going to have different applications on the left-hand side of the screen, and we'll take a look at those. And we'll just start off with activity. Activity is what you have going on within the setting. Okay, as you can see, different communications here, and you can go to this wheel and you can change your different settings, all right, and different events within this. Okay, all right. Also, here you can change your different filters, all right, within the same setting. All right, so just go across the top. All right, these are the different posts from our prior meetings, and you see different people have chimed in with different comments in reference to those meetings. Then you can go to files. Inside of Teams, you can save files and also share files with people within your group. Upload, download, and create links, copy links inside of here. Notes from different meetings. Okay, if you're taking, for our PLCs, you need to take different notes or note types, so you can do that right here. And as you can see, MEMS PLC is right here. You have to log in to get to that meeting, and once again, meeting notes. All right, so you can also expand the view or the perspective of the view. All right, so let's slide down this side. So you have your chat sessions. All right, let's just go here. We'll get to that in a second. This is chats where you have different chats in different meetings, and this populates, and you can also keep a running a log of this. Files in here also, none at this time. And then you have notes we'll just discuss, and then the whiteboard flashed up, came up. So this is an interactive whiteboard that you can utilize for demonstration purposes. You pick your pen, colors, highlights. Okay, and then you can erase it. All right, just like that. Too easy. All right, so let's drop down to Teams itself. All right, this is the main menu source. As you can see in this section, these different sections, you have the PLC meetings. All right, first grade through fifth, specialist, SPED, and then we have our early release meeting in here also. Okay. All right, so when you click on the meeting, for instance, early release, all right, it's a calendar attached, and then you can join the meeting, okay, right up here in this section right here. Back there it says meet, and you can join it. Also a link that will populate on the day of your meeting. So that's very convenient for everyone involved. Okay, all right. So you're going to have assignments, your calendar. This is how you collaborate or add events to the calendar for future meetings and things that you want to pop up. And once those meetings pop up with the link, you click join, and you're into a virtual meeting or virtual conference with your peers or with people in your group. Okay, and this is just outlined for the April month calls. Now I like this feature, very, very cool, because you can dial individuals by number. All right, you can add a contact list of who you want to talk to. You got a history of what you talked about. This was me conferring with Dr. Herrick in reference to a practicum exercise or activity. And you can also do voicemail. All right. So to make a call, click on that, and you can just type in their information, and it'll reach them. Okay. All right, and you can also dial, I believe, cell phone or office calls too, with reference to speed dial, all right, and contacts. Okay, so files. Once again, these are some files that I have uploaded in here. Okay, and we use during some of my meetings. And then you have different applications. Now this is really cool because you can use different apps inside of the tool itself. So you just click on the application you want to utilize, say forms. All right, it gives you a spiel, and you can add it. All right, we're not going to do that at this time. So basically, that is the overlay of Microsoft Teams. It's a great meeting resource. It's a great tool to communicate with people and peers within your building setting. And we will be on this platform moving forward. This will be our main source. We're moving away from Google, and this will be our main platform, according to Dodia. If you have any other questions or concerns regarding Teams or this training, please let me know. I'm more than happy to help you. Thank you for all that you do, and enjoy the rest of your day.